Welcome to my STEM channel. In this video, I'll discuss the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is for ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, then x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, where the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Let me start writing some stuff. So I'm going to write it in green. This is the quadratic formula. You always gotta put what you're solving, and you have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Then x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac quantity divided by 2a. The discriminant is what's inside the square root. We'll call it d, which is equals to b squared minus 4ac. The reason the discriminant is important is because when you're taking a lower math, like algebra or up to a certain point, if this is negative, then your answer, if this value here is negative, then the answer is no solution. So let's go ahead and start off with a problem. Let me think of a problem here. Let's get a x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. This is very easy, very simple formula, the quadratic formula, because all you gotta identify are the coefficients. So basically you have your a, b, and your c. Your a, b, and your c. And once you identify those, the rest is easy. So here your a is a 1. It's the number in front of the x squared. Your b is a 5. It's the number in front of the x. And your c is a 6. So from there you could go directly to the quadratic formula or go first to the discriminant. Let's go ahead and do the discriminant first. The discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac. I'm going to teach you some good habits. The first habit is using parentheses. Don't try and do it in your head. There's no need to. So d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Notice that I put parentheses wherever we were going to plug in a value. So your b is 5. Your a is 1. And your c is 6. And now you do the math. You do the exponents and multiplication before you do the subtraction. So 5 squared is 25. And anything times 1 is the other number. So you have 4 times 6, which is 24. So your discriminant is equal to 1. So here for this we know that our discriminant is equal to 1. Let me clear up some space here. Now let's use a quadratic formula. We have x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of d, which is the discriminant, divided by 2a. And again, we use our parentheses. And we have negative parentheses plus or minus the square root of parentheses divided by 2 times the parentheses. So our a, oh I forgot, it was 1. and our b was 5, and our d was 1. So then we do the math here, and we're left with negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 1 divided by 2 times 1, which is 2. Need to clear up some more space. We already did this part, so I'm going to clear it up. And now we have two answers here. Well, let me write it again. We have x equals negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 1 is 1 divided by 2. Clearing up some space. And this gives us two answers because of the plus or minus. One for the plus and one for the minus. So we have negative 5 plus 1 divided by 2. And the other one is negative 5 minus 1 divided by 2. And here you would have negative 4 divided by 2, which is equal to negative 2. And then this one here, let's write it here on the top. This would be negative 6 divided by 2, which equals to negative 3. So these are your answers. Negative 2 and negative 3.